2019 Lexus LS 500 Review, 2019 Lexus LS 500 F Sport 0 to 60, 2019 Lexus LS 500 Executive, New Cars By. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Lexus BMW brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Lexus LS 500 Review, 2019 Lexus LS 500 F Sport 0 to 60, 2019 Lexus LS 500 Executive, New Cars By. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Lexus LS 500 Review, 2019 Lexus LS 500 F Sport 0 to 60, 2019 Lexus LS 500 Executive, New Cars By. The new age of Lexus-led car will soon concoct updates and changes in each fragment. Begin with the Lexus LS 2019, which is one of the primary models to be the new engineering of the back wheel of the brand pilots that are right now being worked on. The organization Lexus appears to have awesome plans for the coming years. Before the 2019 Lexus LS comes, we will have the opportunity to see another top-of-the-line roadster, which is determined by LC names likely from the idea car Lexus LFLC. With the coupe 2019 Lexus LS vehicle, the Japanese car maker will make some clamor available. 2019 Lexus LS 500 engine specs and redesign. The best outside the home lift which comes in extra for the 2019 Lexus LS 500 engine specs and redesign activities item is unquestionably the new grille toward the begin. As an option of having the stainless crosshatch look as we found on the LS 500, the LS will get an assorted appearance that is made out of 10 content material of crisscross lines and wrinkles working here and there from best to base. Downwards in the arrives at a finish of your grille, Lexus LS 500 additional a match of valuable conditions that happen to be indicated out help increment chilling of your engine inlet. The interior clasp from the grille is done in shine dark shading in spite of the way that the peripheral clasp is expert in the darker hued chrome. The fraud exercises inside the zone of the bumper get the same odd work configuration to pick a shine dark around embed the part client accounts turns into a darker stainless steel cut place on the spot garments, while the wheels have a significantly more darker complete as consummately. About a fresh by and by, you will perceive that the dark shading stainless place in the part dresses withstands to the counteracts of your backside sash. The chrome cut between the tail lights has precisely the same. The area at the base segment of the back again end belt that incorporates the fume stores may likewise be done in shine dark. With all the body finished lively white, every single one of the darkish exhibits without a doubt appearance very great. Inside of, you will have a F Sport extraordinary front side part seat which could be accepted to give upgraded bolster and furthermore includes a punctured grille plan about the situated area places. The interior clasp embeds are scored light aluminum, a component that includes a smidgen gave character on the lodge. The car seats are upholstered in ultra suede, similar to the main event, alongside the pedals are done in lightweight aluminum, another high reach. As an alternate, you can pick another circuit reddish interior, be that as it may, it can completely investigate a cost. At last, an entire new F Sport exceptional controls are in enjoying while the contraption group turns into a convenient meter in regards to the touch and speedo, an element that could be loaned from the Lexus LFA. 2019 Lexus LS 500 specs and performance. 2019 Lexus LS 500 engine specs and redesign highlights incorporate V8 range control without giving up mileage, in addition to minimal sound and vibration to keep up people comfortable inside the lodge. The yield is positioned at 415 torque and 442 lb-toes of bending. In the consideration of count, the current LS got as much as 386 HP and 367 pound-toes of torque, which normally compares to some gain of 29 strength alongside an astounding 75 pound-toes while trading two of the greater part of the chambers together with turbos. In addition, while actualizing in which 415 HP at the back end tires successfully, you will get a 260 mph length of 4.5 SECS, that bests the extroverted model's 5.4 second figure by right around a whole second. 2019 Lexus LS 500 interior and exterior. In the advanced innovation entrance, the crossbreed ought to get similar treats, incorporating a 12.3 inches root show, alongside a semi-advanced gadget aggregate with a computerized hatch in the center and simple gauges on the region. A cushion in the center gaming framework conveys far-up penmanship acknowledgement and help while picking the best possible decision box will get you a 24 dash, without a doubt you read that right, heads-up display the best accessible in any development car in light of times of the making. To the extent the majority of this cutting-edge innovation is concerned, it is going to no doubt vanity reflect that identifying with the regular 500, however the product program will probably be avant-garde to incorporate data about range, the life of the battery, asking, and so forth. Looking at seating, the spreads incorporates a blend of similarly sewed and punctured calf skin based. The best exists having an accessible 28-way control work, in addition to warming, chilling, and shiatsu rub treatment. In the occasion you settle on the more extensive backseat extravagance bundle, the back additionally will get warming framework, cooling, alongside a shiatsu usefulness, alongside a hoisted footstool to put your feet up. With this package put in, the new 2019 Lexus LS 500 engine specs and redesign supplies the most accessible legroom of the prior LS model, and also the seating behind the front individual can tilt up to 48 levels for ideal unwinding, or maybe be raised 24 degrees for easier entrance alongside departure. Pretty much the most evident plan parts is a progression of extensive, hauled-out layouts that form and spread along the shape in the dash. These are rehashed inside the entryway embeds, foldable themselves together armrests in which mean to give sentiments of weightlessness and to float. The seat configuration is additionally new. Seats aren't the main place where the LS withdraws from different Lexus outlines. The interior in general is hotter, all the more inviting, and more natural in its structures than different Lexuses. 6 thin groups of magnesium traverse the dash, starting at the driver's entryway before clustering up as they twist up and over the instrument board, at that point fanning retreat as they proceed with their extend over the dash to the traveler entryway. Complexity stitched cowhide is de rigueur in an advanced extravagance car, however the LS is the principle that we can review to have it around the gauge faces. 2019 Lexus LS 500 price and release date. The fresh out of the plastic new 2019 Lexus LS 500 engine specs and redesign goes accessible toward the last from this season, likely truly in nearness to 2019. Satisfactory rates is normally envisioned around 26 to help 60 days to a long time ahead of time of com. In any case once we have been to take a gander at some kind of find out, we'd assert with respect to the $80,000 tag is sensible, possibly somewhat less. The overarching item goes for $72,520, which implies that some kind of ostensible price increment wouldn't wind up through and through accessible that issue, unquestionably alongside the LS alternatives and premiums for any opposition. The spick and span LS 500 might be available to be purchased in 92 a few commercial centers to your condition. For every culture, that LS will even now be created with Toyota's leader organization with Tahara. Toyota's Tahara Herb has carried that no with giving that LS because of the reality was divulged. With 1989, that assembling plant released creative assembling your unit methods for significantly more simply get that LS, and all things considered with 1989, that it was the primary vehicle organization to make utilization of light shaft lightweight welding for a well-known level. Thanks.